I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Be Creative and Artistic. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step tutorial of how to decorate your notebook. I made a similar type of video on how to decorate your project file, and thank you so much for all your valuable comments, love and support. If you didn't watch that video yet, you can click on the above I button to watch it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get this video started with the first step. I am using a black color chart paper to cover this notebook. You can choose any of your favorite color to bind this. Fit your notebook inside the cover and cut the paper to size using the measurements of your notebook. Cut the extra ends and use glue to stick the folds you have just made so that they do not flap. Finally, our notebook covering is ready. Now we will move to the second step. Place the main sheet, and now you will need some newspaper cuttings. I have collected only the newspaper information part. Now paste them completely on this paper and make sure there is no blank space or gap seen. For the third step, you will need a brown poster color. You can also use watercolor instead of this. Dilute the paint with some water. Now place the main sheet on a waterproof surface. Okay, begin by dipping your brush in just a teeny bit of brown paint. We are just gonna paint very lightly and paint the edges like so. At the edges, we are just pulling it in, and we don't want the paint to go too thick, and which is one of the reasons we diluted this paint with some water. Okay, now that we have painted the edges, we are going to take a cotton ball, and in a swirling motion, we are going to go around the edges we just painted. Instead of cotton ball, you can use tissue paper or a piece of cloth. I'm spreading color on all these edges. You have to do this very delicately. Let it dry for a moment. By the time we'll move to the next step. So I am going to share with you a paper peacock feather. I'm using 3 different color papers, green, yellow and blue. Draw a peacock feather shape on the green paper as per the size of the notebook. After that, cut out the extra part. Also, draw the peacock feather eye pattern shape on the rest of the 3 color papers as shown in the video. Stick the cutouts on the paper. Now start to make very fine cuts on it, and it should be a little bar from the mid spine but not touching it. And finally, our peacock feather is ready. Now let's move to the final step. Place the notebook, stick the main sheet on the top of it, and after that paste the paper peacock feather on one side of the notebook. For a final touch, add some shading on the main sheet edges with black pastel or crayon. At the last, fill up your notebook with label and stickers. So that's our final notebook decoration. I hope you enjoy while watching this video. Please motivate me through your valuable comments, likes and subscriptions. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest updates. You can also check out my channel Be Creative and Artistic for more decoration ideas, as well as the description box given below. I have mentioned my popular video links related to project file notebook decorations and border designs. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.